up, YouTube? I am so excited right now because I just found out about a brand new way of making money online that requires very, very little work. And I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of Alessandro Zamboni's uh, journal Empire 2. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear a fedora. Well, everybody who's regular to the channel knows why. Because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull on it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, I know that my jokes can be as stale as day-old bread, so feel free to skip ahead. No, really, my jokes are kind of funny, but if you've heard them before. Anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would that be? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of, I don't want to say the word because he's going to come out. Okay, a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
My cat agrees. Bart, really? My cat is here. You have to complain in front of my cat? Anyway. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz, you're a sweetheart. I love Liz. She says the same thing all the time, but she's a sweetheart. I really like her. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Because, well, you know what? Subscribe doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. So this is the sales page for Journals Empire 2 from my buddy Alessandro Zamboni. Alessandro is from Italy. He was actually in one of the hardest hit areas of Italy during the COVID-19 crisis. He's come through it okay. Fortunately, we're very pleased to hear about that for him. And I just want to show you this a little bit because, a lot of people think they can make money on Kindle, and you can make money on Kindle. Obviously, you can make money with Kindle with all kinds of things on Amazon. The trouble is that it's a lot of work to make a Kindle book. You make a cookbook, and so you sell 10, 20, 30 copies. Hey, you know what? Great. But you worked your off in order to make a Kindle book.
Is that some kind of joke?
Yes, it is some kind of a joke. Do you have a problem with that? Anyway, but seriously, the nice thing here, and he has a couple of examples here. I want to show you a couple of examples as well. I'm going to show you the members in just a moment as well. But basically, the idea is like this. You can create what are called low content books. And the idea is that you basically make a book that can sell on Amazon. And really all you have to do is design a front cover. You don't have to design the entire book. He's going to show you inside of his course exactly how to do it, exactly how to market it, the whole 9 yards. I do want to tell you my custom bonus before we go any further, because one of the things that people are going to be scared about is like, Eric, I don't know how to design a cover for a book. I have no idea. No problem, I say, because I'm going to give you covers that you can use. Yes, I'm actually giving you ready-made book covers that are really, really nicely done that you can edit using free software. I'll show you the free software to use. It's very, very easy. It'll take you about 5-10 minutes to edit it. Make it look exactly the way you want it to look. No problem at all. Very, very simple to edit these ebook covers they're going to get from me, and using free software to do it. And they can basically make the covers. The rest of it is basically blank pages. I mean, maybe you put in lines or, like a little pithy quote or something on it. But that's pretty much it. I want to show you here, this is Amazon. I pulled this up real quick just so you can see. So, for example, over here, Empowered, a motivational journal for women. Okay, $10.79 that is costing. And probably the purchase cost for the person who created this is going to be, $3-4 a piece. Okay, you can see that basically you can see what's actually inside of this book. It's basically blank pages that people can use in order to actually write on. Okay, but they're going to have a little introduction maybe, okay, and maybe some quotes that are going to give them something to think about. But basically the idea here is it's blank pages with a little bit of material here and there. And so it's what's called a low content book, which really, really makes a big difference. It's very easy to make these things. You don't have to put a lot of work in. You can bang these out in like half an hour. You put up, obviously, put up one is maybe not going to do the best job for you. Put up 100, put up 1,000, okay? And yeah, it's going to take your time. It's not going to be something instant, but the idea is that once you make it, you keep selling them over and over again. Here's one of the examples that Alessandro actually had on his front page, Burn After Writing. You can see here, $8.40. Okay, and it's probably again costing about $3 to make it, so the guy pockets the difference. Okay, and all they do is basically make a cool looking cover and maybe add in a couple of blank pages. And that's pretty much it. It's basically intended with like a minimalist thing here. Okay, you see my earliest memory. This is very minimal stuff. Okay, and then basically they're going to give you blank pages in order to write things on. This is easy stuff to make. You don't have to think really hard in order to make these things. And you can even basically copy what somebody else is doing. Just write it in your own words, use your own design. And that's basically the concept here, is to add in minimal stuff. Take half an hour to make it, get it put together. Alessandro's going to show you exactly how to do it. He's got every single detail here, telling you the types of books that sell the best, how to find free photos, okay, the whole 9 yards. And again, you're going to get my custom books is going to give you my own ebook covers that are really beautifully done already. You can simply edit them for your own needs. But I've got an even better bonus for you as well. If you pick this up before the timer on my bonus page closes, okay, it's going to be closing in a few days from the day I'm recording this video. If you pick this up before the timer closes, I'm going to give you a huge, huge bonus that I've never ever done before. I'm going to let you pick your own bonus from one of my own products, my best-selling products. I've sold over 5,000 units of my products, well over 5,000 units of my products. You get a choice of Local Video Jackpot, Unstoppable, the Income Formula, Durable, Graphic Supremacy, or White Collar PLR, or 24-hour bucks. You get to choose which one of those you want. You send me an email with your receipt. You get it for free. Okay, so basically you're getting a twofer, and you get to choose which one you want. Because I've sometimes given these things away every now and then. Most of the time I just sell them because I do make money off of them. Even now, I still sell all these things. Believe it or not, yes, even now, every single one of those things makes me money. So giving this away is a big deal, but Alessandro is a good friend. I really want to help him out and get him some serious sales numbers for his product. And so I'm basically giving the store in order to help out my friend Alessandro, who is a really good guy. And as I said, he has gone through the whole coronavirus thing. His area of Italy was one of the worst hit. So something good to think about as well. So let's see if I can give a tip match the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, Alessandro, you do rock. This is awesome. I love these kinds of things because this is the sort of stuff you can bang it out in half an hour and do one a day, do one a week even, okay? You don't have to spend all of your time doing this. Do a few of them, do 2 or 3 a week, let's say, okay? Bang them out, make more of them, and keep going over and over. He's going to show you how to make dozens of these things. You do want to make a lot of them. You don't want to make one or two. You want to make a whole bunch of these things, all right? And you want to have 30, 40, 50, 100 of them out there. And some are going to sell better, some are going to sell worse. But ultimately, once they're made, you just keep selling them over and over and over again. And they're very easy to make. They're not something that's going to require you to spend weeks, months, years making a book that maybe you'll sell 10 copies of. The idea is that you can bang these out in quantity, make 100 of them. You can even go ahead and outsource the work if you really wanted to. If you have a little bit of money to spend, go to Fiverr and outsource the work of creating the thing. Put them up on Amazon the way that Alessandro's going to show you how to do it. And you can make real money doing this. And over time, this snowballs. It turns into a full-time income. You don't have to do anything. Okay, it's low content. You don't have to put a lot of material in to make these books work because the people who buy them are going to be writing in them. So all you got to do is give them a little prompt, give them a line to say, hey, write about this today. That's it. That's all you got to do. So go ahead and grab this. Really a no-brainer. You're going to love it.